winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, Michigan City, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The current time is 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northeast Illinois, including the following counties: Cook, DuPage and Will. When? Until 8:45 p.m. Impacts: creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: at 5:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall with rates of up to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Some locations that will experience flooding include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Lemont, Burridge, Darien, Crest Hill, Shorewood, and Frankfort Square. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. A flood advisory means minor flooding along waterways and other poor drainage areas is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons in the advisory area should use caution and avoid flood waters. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. A special marine warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. For the following areas: nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake. At 8:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo to 9 nautical miles north of Burns Harbor to near Hammond Marina, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, Michigan City, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For tonight: weather: significant thunderstorm risk, with an associated level 2 of 5 damaging wind risk, up to 70 miles per hour. Level 2 of 5 large hail risk, up to 1 inch in diameter. Elevated flooding risk. Elevated excessive heat risk through early evening south of Interstate 80. Discussion: clusters of thunderstorms will move across the area into this evening. Damaging winds will be the primary threat, which may locally exceed 70 miles per hour, though some instances of large hail are also possible. Additional thunderstorms may develop into tonight with a threat for flash flooding. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Sunday: high, swim, risk developing Lake Michigan beaches. Limited thunderstorm risk. Limited excessive heat risk. Monday: limited flooding risk. Limited thunderstorm risk, with an associated level 1 of 5 severe thunderstorm risk. Elevated excessive heat risk. Tuesday: limited flooding risk. Limited thunderstorm risk. Spotter information statement: spotters may be needed into this evening. General storm motion of the day, moving toward the south at 35 to 40 miles per hour. At 8 p.m. at O'Hare Airport, a thunderstorm was reported.